Welcome! Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful feature in Google Chrome that allows you to take long screenshots of any web page. Whether you want to capture an entire article, a lengthy conversation, or any content that extends beyond your screen, this guide will walk you through the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have the web page you want to capture ready on your screen. This is the foundation of our screenshot journey. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. These are your menu options. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various tools and settings that enhance your browsing experience. From this menu, click on Share. This option allows you to share the current page in various ways, but today we're interested in a specific feature, Long Screenshot. Selecting this will initiate the screenshot process. Now, it's time to select the area of the screenshot you want to capture. You'll notice up and down arrows appear on your screen. Drag these arrows to adjust the area you want to include in your screenshot. This feature gives you control over exactly what part of the web page you want to capture, whether it's just a section or the entire page. Once you're satisfied with your selection, look for the check icon. Click on this icon to confirm your selection and finalize the screenshot process. In just a few moments, Chrome will generate your long screenshot. And there you have it. You've successfully taken a long screenshot on Google Chrome without needing any additional extensions or complicated software. This built-in feature is not only efficient, but also incredibly user-friendly. Remember, capturing long screenshots can be incredibly helpful for saving important information or sharing content with others. So next time you need to grab a lengthy web page, just follow these simple steps. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!